Sopano tikupasirane zimene wayankhula mtsogoleri wa dziko la Profesa Arthur Mutharika pamene amafotokozera mtundu wa Malawi kuti pa chisankho chimene anachita kuvotera mtsogoleri amene anapanga chisankho chabwino kwambiri zimene zathandizira kuti padakali panopa zinthu ku dziko la Malawi zikhale zoti zasintha. Atchulapotu zinthu zambiri zimene zasintha pa masiku 90 kapena kuti 3 months imene mtsogoleri amene akutumikira nzika za dziko la Malawi. Akambapo nkhani zokhuza ndi mafuta galimoto kuti panopa vuto limene linachepa magesi anasiya kuzimazima ndi zambiri tatentone zimene ayankhula mtsogoleri ameneyi kenako timalizeni nkhani.
As a nation, we grew poorer than we were in 2020. Nevertheless, I bring you good news. Because of the decision you made on September 16th, this economic tragedy is steadily becoming a thing of the past. In just 3 months since I assumed office, signs of recovery are already visible. Inflation is declining, meaning your savings are safer and secure today than they were a few months ago. Fuel shortages are easing, power outages are shortening, and we're moving closer to eliminating blackouts. We are actively laying the groundwork in other sectors as well. In essence, we are firmly on track with our economic recovery plan. These critical indicators are inspiring confidence among potential investors. I'm mindful, however, that hunger remains a pressing issue. That is why we have intensified distribution of relief food and ensure that markets are stocked with maize. I urge all those involved in food distribution to work diligently so that all families facing food insecurity are fully supported. My policy remains unchanged. No Malawian should die of hunger. Looking ahead, we intensify agricultural production to exceed domestic demand so that we can export the surplus. We uphold fiscal discipline and prioritize investments in key productive sectors, including mining, energy, roads, and railway infrastructure, to lower the cost of doing business, drive industrialization, and generate employment. Ultimately, our economy must uplift the living standards of all Malawians. I will maintain strong stance against corruption so that these efforts should bear fruits. I call upon each one of you to play your part. If you are a farmer, strive to produce more. If you used to plant once a year, aim to plant twice. If you are a business person, expand the goods and services you provide and employ more people. I'm creating a conducive environment for everyone to be productive. Together, we can make 2026 a year of renewal and progress for our families and our nation. Happy New Year to you all. May God bless Malawi.
Bwino tamva komanso taona zimene ayankhula mtsogoleri wa dziko sitezo zote muli maganizo pa nkhani imeneyi ngati maganizo amene alipo mutha comment section komwe tikamapereka tilemekezenso maganizo anzathu. Musaiwale kupanga like video imene komanso panga subscribe channel imene cha Fox Malawi News 18 ndicho ngati nkhani zambiri zikamachitika ndi zitha kufikirani mosavuta.